Join us at the open house May 3rd, 2026, from 12 noon to 2 p.m. Eastern, or explore it online with mydigitalisting.com. $560,000 opens the door to a rare Florida opportunity at 600 Royal Poinciana in Punta Gorda's Burnt Store Meadows. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,960 square foot home sits on nearly half an acre, giving you room to relax, entertain, and truly live the Florida lifestyle. Here's what makes it special. This deed-restricted community explicitly permits short-term rentals. List on Airbnb or VRBO from day one. No guessing, no gray area. Use it as your personal retreat, a seasonal vacation home, or a flexible income property that works for you year-round. Contact Realtor Jennifer Taberski today. No worries, just results. Reach her at 864-735-1111 for your piece of paradise now.